Withdrawing funds from the 1inch wallet involves transferring your crypto assets to another wallet or exchange. Here's how. Open the 1inch wallet. Launch the 1inch wallet app and ensure you are logged in. Select the blockchain network that holds the tokens you want to withdraw. Check balance. Confirm that your wallet contains the tokens you want to withdraw. Ensure you also have sufficient native cryptocurrency to cover gas fees. Select the token. In the wallet's Assets section, find and tap the token you wish to withdraw. This opens the token's transaction menu. Enter withdrawal details. Click Send or Withdraw. Enter the recipient wallet address. Double-check the address to ensure accuracy. Specify amount. Input the amount of the token you want to send. Make sure it does not exceed your balance after accounting for gas fees. Confirm and send. Review the transaction details, including gas fees, and confirm the transfer. Approve the transaction in the wallet. Track the transaction. Use the transaction hash to monitor progress on the Blockchain Explorer for the relevant network.